Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve day 19 problem of this month on Leetcode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. Problem number 2154. Keep multiplying found values by 2. So in this problem, you are given an array of integers nums and you are also given an integer original, which is the first number that needs to be searched for in nums. You then do the following steps. So if original is found in nums, then we have to multiply it by 2. That is, we have to set original is equal to 2 into original. Otherwise, we have to stop the process, right? And we have to repeat this process with the new number as long as you keep finding the number. And in the end, we have to just return the final value of the original, right? So here original is 3, right? So first I'm going to search for 3. So 3 is here. So now next time my original is going to become 3 into 2, that is nothing but 6. So 6 is also here, right? So next time my original is going to become 6 into 2, that is nothing but 12. 12 is also here. So next time I'm going to search for 12 into 2 is equal to 24. 24 is not here, so I'm going to end the process and I'm going to return 24. That's it. Same way, this example. So what I'm searching for. So 4 itself is not there. So I'm returning 4 only, right? 4 is not found in nums. Thus 4 is returned. That's it. And here if you see the constants, so nums dot length from 1 to 1000, and all the values of this nums of I and original all are positive values, right? All are positive values. So here original, how we are updating the original is nothing but 2 into original, right? And here if original value is always positive, right? So let's suppose if your original value is 1, right, in the initially, then next time it is going to become 2 into 1, right? 2. Then next time it is going to become 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So original value is always increasing, right? Always increasing, right? So if I want to search for 3, let's suppose I want to search for 3. So I want this 3, right? If I just want to do only one iteration over all the elements of nums, right? So I want my 3 to appear first, and then only after 3 I want 6, right? Next time I'm searching for 6. Then only after that I want 12. Then only that after 12 I want 24, right? So I don't want like my 6 is occurring first, then after that my 12 is occurring, and then my 3 is occurring. So if I search for 3, then again I have to start searching from for 6, again I have to start searching from the initial itself, right? But if I want to search in one go, right? So first 3, next time I'm searching for 6, so definitely 6 will appear after 3, right? So I want the thing to be in one go, right? So what is coming to my mind now, that is nothing but a sorting the array, right? So if I sort the array, so what will happen, I will get something like this: 1 3 6 5, 1 3 5 6 and 12, right? I will get something like that. So if I'm first I'm finding 3, then next time I'm finding 6, then next time I'm finding 12. So all are in this order, right? In this order. So that's what we need to do, right? So this is nothing but sorting, right? Because my original is always increasing, right? So that is why I plan to do sort on my nums array, right? So here if you see, I am searching for 4. So 4, if I sort it, I will get something like this only, right? 4 is not here, here 4 is not here, here 4 is not here. That's it, and the process. Okay, and you can also break it, right? If you sort it, you can also break it if you want, right? So let's write the code. Very simple. So this is approach 1. In approach 2, I will show you how to solve this problem in of n time complexity, not in of n log n time complexity that we are doing here right now for sorting, right? So arrays dot sort and nums. Okay, and here what we need to do, so simple, you have to just iterate over all the numbers in nums. So int num in nums, right? And here just you have to simply write if num is equal to original, then in that case your original value is going to be updated as original into 2. That's it. And here you have to just return original value. That's it. Okay, so if you run it, let's run it. So see, all the test cases has been passed, right? Now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, right? And we are here. Okay, so you can also break this loop if you want, right? So here you can also write if the num value is greater than original value, right? So in that case you can simply break this. Okay, break, right? So let's run it, this part as well. Now let's submit it. So see, our solution is set again, right? Instead of 3 I'm searching for 4, right? 135. Okay, so if I'm at 5 and still 4 is not here, so I can simply break this. Okay, so that is the purpose of this, right? So if you want you can add it. Okay, so but still time complexity is going to be of n log n, right? Because of this sorting. Now if we don't want to do the sorting, then you can do one thing now. Instead of this you can create one set. You can add all the elements to a set, right? So here set of integer, and here set is equal to new hash set. So now what you did, you created one set, and then you just need to iterate over all the elements in nums one by one. And here you can do one thing now. In the set just add all the elements, set dot add num, right? So in the set you have added all the elements. Now here what you need to do, here you can just simply run one while loop. Okay, so in while loop you can just write if while your set dot contains the original, right? So if this original number is there in your set, then just update your original value as original into 2. Okay, that's it. So while your set contains this, original is equal to original into 2, right? This is how you are updating original every time, and in the end you have to return original. Let's run it. Let's see if we are able to pass all the test cases with this or not. So see, all the test cases has been passed, right? Now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, right? Now we are here. So if you see the time complexity for this, so you are going to get O of n now, right? So I hope that you guys are able to understand both the approaches, and if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.